In this beginning Nightclub Two Step video, we're gonna do crossover breaks, and that's what we taught in our class. But before that, we have to do a slide out. So we're gonna show it to you, and then Dick will break it down. So it looks like this. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 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 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Then we would go back to a basic. Okay, Dick, do you want to talk about it?
We have gone from closed position to open position by sliding out like this. I slide out during the counts of 3 and 4. So I do a half of a basic, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. I just backed out for the 3 and 4. I would follow that with a straight basic, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. On the next one, I'll do a half a basic and begin my crossovers, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Big generous step. I throw the hand away. Notice I'm still facing the partner. I haven't turned toward the camera yet.
And this is my lead, knowing it's a crossover
Now,
break.
I am completely weighted on my right foot. I'm going to cross over on my left, ladies right. That's our inside foot. We go check step, 1 and 2, 3
They're
and
crossovers,
4.
crossing over.
And 2.
4, 1
Now to
and
exit,
2,
use a pivot turn.
3 and 4.
And I come back to closed. So what's happening here, to exit we're using the pivot turn. All I need to remember is to keep the left hand and set a nice lead. I'm going to go into crossover. We've already set it up. I'll show you that. 2,
3, you're showing the exit.
1
and 2.
That's my exit on count 2. She goes around.
3 and 4.
And we're back to closed position.
So what I would like to do is show it from another direction. Let's do it from here, and we'll be going into the curtain, but you can see our footwork. So here we go, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. He slides out on the 3 and 4, 3 and 4. He slides out, I don't, I just do my basic. Okay, then 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. There was my lead. So now we cross over.
I'm looking at the partner, by the way. Now I look at the audience.
And 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4.
Here comes my exit.
1 and 2, pivot, turn,
Back to closed.
and 2, 3 and 4. That is the crossover breaks. See you later. Bye-bye.